Hello everybody, I took a quick detour and I'm here at Tempi, on the heart of Greece, and so I thought that's a really cool place to fly the drone and see what's happening around. So yeah, let's go, follow me. So I will try to do this as fast as possible because I'm not sure if we are allowed to be in this area. We are next to the Tempi. There's a lot of big tunnels here, and yeah, I really hope I'm gonna get some really nice shots. You have the mountains here. The sun is not in the best spot for the moment, but yeah, we'll see. Start the drone, connect the controller, and get the goggles out, put it in. Wow, big head, and I really am excited for this. Holy crap, it's very bright, so my eyes are super blinded right now. Remote control stick error is something that is happening often, so it's very annoying. All right, and starting the drone, ready. And we are going up. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. And then you have a river and the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous, man. And I'm not recording with my... Okay. Now I'm recording. Welcome everybody again. So here we are. This is the Tempi mountain. And we are down there. Here on that area. Wow. There is a beautiful river there. We'll slowly go. I'll just show you around. Look at that place over there. Always make sure your battery is in a good spot. So these are the beautiful mountains. If you lose your drone here, it's game over. You never find it again. So just be very careful, very cautious. And whoa, beautiful. This is the sea down there. Wow, fantastic. All right, let's quickly switch into the manual mode and do some cool shit. We need to be away from the road. This is the only thing we really need to do. Just make sure you're not close to the roads and everything. And yeah. Look at that. Wow, guys, this is insane. We're flying with 83 kilometers per hour. That is a lot. And it's very nice because the signal now is getting trapped into the rocks. And you have way stronger signal than you would normally have. Look at that, wow. This is all for you guys, enjoy it. Whoa, look at that. Some real FPV shit. So be careful when you go behind the trees and all. Unexplored areas, 50 kilometers per hour. I'm losing signal here. Immediately go up when you lose signal. You know the drill. I hope so far. So yeah. Wow, beautiful. Be careful with cables, of course. That's very important. There's a lot of them here in, oh, some horses. That's us. This is fully wild what I'm doing here. Don't try this at home. And look at that over there. We have 53% battery. Soon we need to go back. And yeah, wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Go immediately up. My signal is horrible. And yeah, try to go back to where I came from.
Okay.
Horrible signal. The wind is opposite direction. So yeah, that means the signal is horrible and weak. And I'm coming close where I am, but the signal is not getting better somehow. Now it's a little bit better again. Now it's perfect. So yeah, really beautiful. Look at that.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa, look at that, guys. All right, let's drop. I don't know whose property is this, but I'm gonna do some shots here. Very, very careful of the cables, guys. Always have a look at your surroundings. I already scanned the area, so I know what I'm doing. But you need to be very careful, especially in countries like Greece. There's a lot of cables around, and you need to be very, very careful. Otherwise, yeah, you end up in prison even. All right, that will be it for now. That was a quick one. I hope you really like this one, and yeah, that is your boy here. Strong stuff. That's my baby girl here. Yes, this is all for you guys. Every like equals one kiss. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next.